What's up, guys? So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a pen gun. It's actually pretty simple, and it's like it's really good. It like shoots really fast and far. So yeah, basically, all you're gonna need is a rubber band, some tape. You don't have to, but you should probably just get some instead, and then a pen. So the pen you're gonna want is it can really be any pen. It just has to be like hollow enough that you can something can go through it. So like for me, I have this like big round stick M. It's like this, and then yeah, it doesn't really matter what pen you have. It has to like be hollow. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take off everything, the cap, the pen thing, like the ink thing. I don't need ink in here. I'll put it over right here, and then the back. So, oh yeah, and then this thing. And then the back is going to be hard to kind of get out, but you just have to try to take it out as best you can. I'm going to pause the video, and then I'll come back when it's out. Okay, so my pen thing actually broke. So basically what I had to do instead was I took like a mechanical pencil, and I took like the back part off and this part off, and I kind of had to cut this part off. So yeah, it's still a tube. See, it doesn't have to be a pen, so I use this instead. See? Yes, sir, boy. So, alright. So, and now for my pen, I want to kind of modify it. So I'm gonna kind of add like a scope on it, like this. So all you're gonna want to do if you want to do the scope thing like me, what you're gonna want to do is just put it on. I'd say kind of like a little bit towards the end, like whichever end you want. Put it a little back. So right here probably. Take some tape and just tape it on there, like so. So I kind of want it right. Kind of have like this, so it's like you can put on easily. I put it right here, and that way you can see. I mean, it's just it's just to for fun, but. But yeah, just put it on there, and it won't affect your actual shooting too. It's just like a fun thing. And I'll do a little one. I know. But yeah, basically, and you don't have to do this. It's just it's optional, but I'm doing it because it looks cool. And yeah. Kind of squeeze it on sideways so it doesn't fall off, and then it should be on there good. I mean, it's not the best, but it's pretty cool. And then yeah. So now what we're gonna do, there's two things you can do with the rubber band. You can tie it here. Okay, so on it, right? You can tie it, or you can tape it. So basically, I think I'm going to I think I'm just gonna tape it for now, and then I'll probably tie it later. So take your rubber band, break it in half, like that. Then kinda here, I'll put it like this. Okay. You're gonna wanna if you have a scope on, just put it on the sides of it so it won't kind of affect anything. But you're gonna want to put it here. Okay. Kind of like this. So it's on the scope, and you can just tie it. So then it'll go back like that. And make sure you don't do it too far, too far back, or it I mean, it doesn't really matter where you do it. It's just you want to have a lot of this, so you can make go really far back instead of having it all the way here. Or no, my bad. Make it more to the closer end. Okay, so make it if you're shooting from here, you're gonna want to make it more this way, because then it'll stretch farther back, or it'll be tighter, right? If it's here on the back, you'll have a lot of it'll be too much rubber band basically. So put it kind of closer to the end where the arrow will come out. So I'm gonna pause the video, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so now you can see that I have one fully on there. You see it's attached to the side of the scope, kinda, and this side too, and it's pulled back, so like this. So, and then one thing I want to tell you before I'll show you some shots of it. So, if you're using tape, which I did, like, you can tie it. It's probably better, but when you're using tape, you don't want to, because mine is Scotch tape, and like Scotch tape for this at least isn't like that strong at all. So I suggest putting on a lot, and then every time you pull back to shoot it, hold on to like the rubber band, like under the tape, just so the rubber band doesn't kind of like come out when you're pulling it back, just in case. And then that way, like it'll be secure. Like when you pull back, it won't like kind of come out this way. But yeah, like unless you have some like electrical tape that like will hold it down like there for sure. I mean, you should just hold on to the rubber band, like just why not? Just so it doesn't come out. But yeah, this is what it looks like. At the end, it should look like the scope, and then you can see the rubber band's blocking it, but it's like a hollow tube. And then just the rubber band is tied not too far this way, because you don't want that much slack. And then yeah, overall it's not the best, but it's like all you need is a pen, tape, and rubber band, and this is what you have. So yeah, I'll show you some shots of it. Alright guys, now it's time for test shots. Alright, so look, you can see fully loaded pen right here. And now, okay, I know it's gonna go through, like just to test it and show you guys it actually works. Here's a leaf. Look, just why not, to show you. So look, no holes. I don't even know if you can see that, but this isn't a hole, by the way. It's just like on there. And I'm gonna prove to you that actually goes through. So I'm gonna set you up right here, and you'll see just like shoot down there. Alright. So to prove to you that it actually works, watch this. Right here. Okay, now you'll see just shoot through down there. Here we go. Whew. Again, slow again. That wasn't so powerful, but yeah. Here you guys have it. Okay. Now I'm gonna get 10 leaves. Alright guys, 10 leaves for you guys. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look how thick this is, bro. Like, look at that. That's not going through, bro. Okay, so now I'm gonna line them. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pull off the stem. Look at that, guys. There's no way I can go through. Okay, so now line it up. Okay, let me show you guys. You can see it's like right there. Alright, let's see if it goes through. I'm inserting it right now. Okay. Watch this, guys. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, bro! So close, so close. Hey, one more time. Second time's charm. For us, guys. 3, 2, 1. Oh wait, that didn't work. 1, 3, 2, 1. Ooh! Go through all of them. Look at that, bro. Let me know if you guys want me to do like paper or something, or maybe cardboard next. Just like this is supposed to be a short video, but it's just showing you guys how to make it, and it actually works going through stuff. And maybe I'll make a modified one in a later video. Alright, yeah. Anyway, guys, make sure you subscribe, like, share the video, and then comment, and then yeah. Peace out.